All right, so let's go to the details and see how we can close the painting with some ideas. Where things are happening. Around the eyes, around the mouth, and maybe a little bit about the composition. It is not good to make lines as if you don't see the shapes. So you make lines around them. This is not a good advice to do. But if you see some points that need to be correct and to bring this out, I like ears. Some washes. I want to show the fingers just a little bit, not too much. Just to say there's something over there. This is really in the center here. Go like this. Should be darker, a little bit darker. Up here, or something here. This one looks a little bit too much separate. This line, I started with this line and I never come back to this. Like this side is a light side, and I tend to work more on the dark. Let's make her smile a little bit more. This can be blue, maybe. Blue, a little bit blue, blue. put some blue here. You connect a little bit. She's having a sword, right? But it's a bar, actually. But no room to put the bar. I think I will put with white gouache. So I take on the tip of the brush, I'll take a little bit white. It's going to be in this corner here, and that corner here. Maybe here, somewhere. So this is the idea of the working with the brush. Of course, it can be faster or slower process. I put the main idea of the composition and what I wanted to say. And this can be also some kind of sketch, study, if you want, before you go into the painting, just to make something quick like this, and you have an idea, you put the first thought on the paper, and you take it, let it dry, look at this. Maybe you find new ideas what to do, make the drawing, and you have a painting. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and come again. Goodbye.